Welcome to Ask Amy. I'm Amy Cadora. Can we use an EnviroCloth to clean heavy and thick grease like motorcycle chain grease? Yes, you can use the EnviroCloth on just about any type of surface. It will be important to clean it quickly as this type of grease can stain your EnviroCloth. And you might want to actually consider having a dedicated motorcycle EnviroCloth to take care of your favorite mode of transportation. How does the kitchen cloth trap oil when it's dampened? As we know, oil and water can't mix with each other. The fibers in the kitchen cloth are what helps to clean a surface, and water is also acting as a solvent, and it helps with collecting debris other than just oil and giving a little bit of a boost in the mechanical cleaning that you can get with a kitchen cloth. All right, next question. Does Norwex have a way to recycle our microfiber cloths that customers may be finished using? Okay. Our microfiber recycling program allows you and your customers to responsibly dispose of your microfiber at the end of its useful life. Now, I will say there are some customers who have been using their same Norwex microfiber for considerably longer than our 2-year warranty. But for those that would like to dispose of it, Norwex is partnering with a company that handles our waste and converts it into renewable energy. Each year, they process 20 million tons of waste into enough renewable energy to power 1 million homes. This safe and technologically advanced waste disposal method also generates clean, renewable energy, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and supports recycling through the recovery of metals that have been disposed of. You can easily return your used microfiber at the end of its life to us, and we will be happy to recycle it for you. People always think that made in China makes Norwex not as good a quality. We choose to manufacture in China because China is known to be a world leader in the textile industry. Some of the best and most innovative home textile and microfiber production in the world is from China. They are known for their expertise in textiles like our microfiber. And there are education programs just for textile development and innovation in China. If you're going to create the best microfiber in the world, you go to the best microfiber manufacturers. Norwex owns our factory in China and has a very strict quality control system in place. Norwex China is committed to following the guidelines of the UN Global Compact on how they treat and manage staff involved in the production of our microfiber, including our suppliers. All factory staff members and research employees enjoy all the benefits associated with being a part of the Norwex team. Norwex has stringent requirements which control everything from the raw materials to conformance levels, and each production is evaluated strictly according to our standards. Testing is continuously done to ensure a quality product, and any microfiber not meeting our Norwex standards are recycled. And that concludes our Ask Amy episode. Thanks so much for joining us.